David presented to our office after recently being admitted into the hospital due to dental infection of his bottom 2 molars. These teeth had become infected so severely that he needed to be seen at the hospital. At the hospital, he had those teeth extracted, but because of this, he no longer had any back teeth for chewing purposes.
And we started talking about, well, what are my options to fix it? You can't go without any back teeth for the rest of your life. You've got to chew with something. So we talked about, bridges and implants, and I decided to go down the implant route. He explained to me what the whole process was, how it's done, showed me what the pieces were, did a great job explaining all of those things. I really didn't want another bridge because about 10 years from now it's going to go haywire, and I would rather have something that never has to be messed with again.
From there, we were able to provide Tom with bone grafts and implants.
These guys were great the whole way. Dr. Duran did a great job. He showed me through the mirror the colors of the teeth that were around there. We both pretty easily just figured out what the right color was, and the end result I couldn't be happier with.